Connector says more than 77,000 visited its website since October 1st. More than 2,000 people created applications. Only 440 were completed. These numbers were released at the Hawaii Health Connector's first board meeting since it opened for business 2 weeks ago. KITV4's Justin Fujioka was there and is here with the latest developments. Justin.
Well, the Hawaii Health Connector has had its share of problems since its launch, and AARP Hawaii showed up to that meeting wanting answers.
It was behind schedule. Really, the consumer was the loser in this whole process.
The connector says it was up and running on October 1st, but AARP says the site wasn't open for business until Tuesday, when health insurance plans and rates became available. The connector's executive director says this glitch was actually a contingency plan to make sure its complex site, which integrates state and federal hubs and regulations, would make it online in time.
These systems normally take about 3 years to build. We've had less than a year to do that.
AARP also asked for weekly public reports with enrollment and application numbers. The connector says it will release that data. AARP says the connector announced it had 34 community organizations for outreach, but its website lists just 12.
So what we're not sure of is, what happened to the other organizations? Have they been contracted, and what's the status of that?
The connector says many of these organizations are still finalizing contracts and training.
The Marketplace's sister organizations don't get listed on our website until they've completed the full cycle of those activities.
As far as a long and complex application process, the connector says it's driven by the federal government.
They need to be prepared that there typically is at least an overnight wait to determine eligibility for Medicaid and also for financial assistance.
The connector says it hopes to have real-time Medicaid eligibility by April. We'll post this story online, and you can tell us what you think about Hawaii Health Connector by liking us on Facebook and leaving a comment. Live in the newsroom, Justin Fujioka, KITV4 News. Paula?